Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to return Levi's online order. Before initiating a return, visit Levi's website and review their return policy. Pay attention to details such as the time frame for returns, the condition of the items, and any specific requirements for returning online orders. Ensure that the items you wish to return are in their original condition with tags attached. Include any original packaging, receipts, or documentation that came with the order. Log into your Levi's account on their website. Navigate to your order history or the specific order you want to return. Look for an option to initiate a return or request a return label. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the items you are returning and provide a reason for the return. Levi's may offer different return methods, such as mailing the items back, dropping them off at the Levi's store, or using a courier service. Select the return method that is most convenient for you. If you are mailing the items back or using a courier service, you may need to print a return label provided by Levi's. Follow the instructions to print the label and affix it to the return package. Pack the item securely in a box or packaging suitable for shipping. Include the return slip or any required documentation inside the package. If using a return label, drop off the package at a designated shipping location or schedule a pickup with a courier service. If you are using a shipping method with tracking, keep track of the return shipment to ensure it reaches Levi's Return Center. Once Levi's receives and processes your return, they will issue a refund to your original payment method or process an exchange if requested. The time frame for receiving the refund can vary based on Levi's policies and the payment method used. Log into your Levi's account or check your email for confirmation of the return and details of the refund or exchange processed. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.